In today's video, we are going to learn short conversation sentences in different languages. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. And please do check out the other videos which are available in my channel playlist. So yeah, without making any further delay, let's get started. Where are you from? Let's learn its translation in Hindi. आप कहाँ से हैं? So this is respectful way of asking. और तुम कहाँ से हो? In Tamil, நீங்க எங்கிருந்து வந்திருக்கீங்க? Moving on to Telugu, మీరు ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చినారు? Or నువ్వు ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చావు? And in Kannada, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿನವರು? Or ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Next one, I am from India. I am from India. Let's learn its translation in Hindi. मैं भारत से हूँ. मैं भारत से हूँ. நான் இந்தியாவிலிருந்து வருகிறேன். Now moving on to Telugu. నేను ఇండియా నుంచి వచ్చాను. Or నేను ఇండియా నుంచి వస్తున్నాను. Now in Kannada, ನಾನು ಭಾರತದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Now let's move on to the next one. Do you know him? Do you know him? Now let's check out to say this in Hindi. क्या आप उसे जानते हो? और क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Now in Tamil, அவரை உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? அவரை உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? Now in Telugu, అతను మీకు తెలుసా? అతను మీకు తెలుసా? And in Kannada, ಅವನು ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Or ಅವನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Now let's move on to the next one. Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. Which is the answer for the previous question. हाँ, मैं उसे जानता हूँ. मैं उसे जानता हूँ. In Tamil, ஆமா, அவரை எனக்கு தெரியும். அவரை எனக்கு தெரியும். In Telugu, అవును, నాకు అతను తెలుసు. అవును, నాకు అతను తెలుసు. And in Kannada, ಹೌದು, ಅವನು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಹೌದು, ಅವನು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Now let's move on to the next one. Check out many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. Next one, what do you do? Let's learn to say this in Hindi. तुम क्या करते हो? और आप क्या करते हैं? Now in Tamil, நீங்க என்ன செய்றீங்க? or நீங்க என்ன வேலை செய்றீங்க? Moving on to Telugu, మీరేం పని చేస్తున్నారు? or మీరు ఏమి చేస్తున్నారు? Now in Kannada, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Now let's learn to reply the question. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Now let's learn this in Hindi. मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ. मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ. Now in Tamil, நான் பேங்க்கில் வேலை செய்கிறேன். நான் பேங்க்கில் வேலை செய்கிறேன். Let's move on to Telugu. నేను బ్యాంక్లో పని చేస్తున్నాను. or నేను బ్యాంక్లో పని చేస్తాను. And in Kannada, ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Next one, is it yours? Is it yours? Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? In Tamil, இது உன்னுடையதா? இது உன்னுடையதா? Let's move on to Telugu. ఇది మీదా? or ఇది నీదా? Now in Kannada, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದಾ? or ಇದು ನಿನ್ನದಾ? Next one, yes, it's mine. Which is the reply for the previous question. Yes, it's mine. In Hindi, हाँ, ये मेरा है. हाँ, ये मेरा है. In Tamil, ஆமா, இது என்னுடையது. ஆமா, இது என்னது. In Telugu, అవును, ఇది నాది. అవును, ఇది నాది. And in Kannada, ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಇದು ನನ್ನದು ಹೌದು ಇದು ನನ್ನದು. Now let's move on to the next one. Who are you? Who are you? In Hindi, आप कौन है, आप कौन है और तुम कौन हो. In Tamil, நீங்க யார் और யார் நீங்க. In Telugu, మీరు ఎవరు, మీరు ఎవరు or నువ్వు ఎవరు. And in Kannada, నీవు యారు. So this is respectful way of asking. Or ನೀನು ಯಾರು. The reply is I am Akshaya. I am Akshaya. Short and sweet answer. In Hindi, मैं अक्षया, मैं अक्षया हूँ. In Tamil, நான் अक्षया, நான் अक्षया. Now let's move on to the next. In Telugu, నేను అక్షయ, నేను అక్షయ. And in Kannada, ನಾನು ಅಕ್ಷಯ, ನಾನು ಅಕ್ಷಯ, which means I am Akshaya in Kannada. Now let's check out next one. Are you happy? No, I am not happy. Let's check out to say this in Hindi. क्या तुम खुश हो? नहीं, मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. Now moving on to Tamil. நீங்கள் சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கீங்களா, which means are you happy. இல்லை, நான் சந்தோஷமாக இல்லை, which means I am not happy. In Telugu, మీరు సంతోషంగా ఉన్నారా. లేదు, నేను సంతోషంగా లేను. In Kannada, ನೀವು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So how was today's video? Was it interesting or informative? Please do comment me. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Watch my channel's many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. Stay connected to explore the journey of multiple language learning. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again.